guys, my name is Healy, and we're 80 popsicles, but we don't want that. My mom's up in there, but she doesn't want to be seen in the video. Can't tell me where she is. And you don't know what she looks like, so you don't know where my house is. Okay guys, I just this weekend we could look pretty. Brush my hair. It's so quiet. I don't know why. I did not talk for like over an hour. Whatever. I'm so tired. This is what I look like when I'm sleeping. And yet, like, you're gonna be knocking on someone's door. Isabel, if you're watching this, this is really weird because I smell my sweat on me. I can't be watching if I'm recording. I have to post it though. Okay, bye, people. I love you all. And just like my family loves everybody. Bye.